Shalom Israel, I go by the name of Chokmah. Today we are going to open up this jackfruit. Shalom Israel, today we are going to open up this jackfruit. Thank you so much for replying to my Instagram story. Some of you guys wanted me to open it, and I appreciate that because I wanted to also. Let me tell you some quick facts. So, jackfruit is really good with energy. It has lots of vitamin A in it. It can also help with night vision. It has calcium in it, good for those bones. It is also really good at cell repair. So you can probably even use jackfruit as a beauty treatment by grinding up the jackfruit and putting it on your face and making actually a mask with it. Just like myrrh is really good for it. Jackfruit also is really good with fiber increase. It has a good amount of protein in it, and it's also really good for electrolyte balancing. Let's cut this thing open. This jackfruit actually fell a couple of times. So let's hope that it survived. So I saw this video, and I'm gonna just try to cut this thing open as best as I can. Usually when I find it in the Asian market, it's like cut across. Usually they sell it in 1/4. I was able to find a whole one. They come in various sizes. So you know that you got a really good one when these yellow spots start to come through. You know that you got a really bad one when you can actually press on it. All right, down to the cutting. Oh, you can smell this. This is really sweet. Yum! Wow. So a seed just fell. So my Ima actually told me you can take these seeds and boil them. It's also really good to replace them like in a meal that you normally use lentils for. You can go ahead and replace them with these. Oh, this came out really good. Okay, so as you can see, I just now opened this, and I'm gonna show you. I like, especially we both like when they're nice and firm. So this is how you take them out. You literally have to search for them. That's the fun part about these. So you'll take one out right here. Sometimes they have a seed in them, like this one, and you'll go ahead and take this out. This is kind of like, this one right here tastes like a flower petal. So this right here is the fruit. So my Ish and I, we like to get them when they're nice and yellow like this color. These are also kind of like, just like the flower stems. You don't eat these. But whenever I'm making like jackfruit tacos, I will put a couple of these in there. They'll cook down nicely. So this is nice and firm. When they are overripe, we will just stick them in the dehydrator. Now, a cool fact is they call jackfruit because it tastes like all the fruits you can imagine. So whenever I eat jackfruit, I taste like a little bit of banana, mango, pineapple, apple. It tastes like a jack of all trades type of fruit. And not just that, you can cook with jackfruit. So you can make jackfruit tacos. Like I mentioned earlier, you can take the seeds and boil them down and cook that, almost like a bean. So, I mean, you can use this whole fruit. This one right here that I got cost $30. I usually buy them like in 1/4, and they'll cost like $11 here, $10 here, just depending on the size of it. But with this, you can use like all of it, so that's the cool part. So I like to get them when they're nice and yellow like this. They're kind of hard and firm. Usually if you were to buy like jackfruit in a can, they'll be very yellow, like high yellow, like sun yellow, bright yellow. They'll look yellowish orange. These, as you can see, they're pretty yellow. And they're nice and firm. It tastes good. I will wash my hands and continue on with cutting the rest of the fruit. So this right here is the jackfruit. And I'm gonna continue cutting. So I saw something in it was a video, basically cut it all the way down, kind of like how I saw them cut a pomegranate. So yes, Rael, today is Kamishi, which is Thursday. So I am also doing all this because it is part of the Shabbat prep. Go ahead and eat from the Most High Earth, the fruit of the earth. So yes, Rael, so part of the rind, it will also have some jackfruit in it. So go ahead and pick up parts from it. So yes, Rael, I'm gonna do another method. At least that method that I just did, it helped to quickly get rid of all the rind with little waste. So the next method that I'm gonna do, when you find the jackfruit, it'll still have the outer tough skin on top of it, and basically it'll just kind of be open. Cut it in the middle. Okay. So here it is right now. I cut it in half. If you receive it like this, again, you'll just go ahead and take the fruit. Much fruit inside of it, you'll have to cut it in half again. So Yisrael, my Ish, he just cut the inside of this. Now, this is dark, and quite honestly, like when I usually see them, they're nice and white, and you can use this meaty part right here for jackfruit tacos. I usually don't see it looking like this. I usually store them like in a Ziploc bag, and I put it in the refrigerator. I have had them as long as a week without them tasting bad or still being firm. I've had them for about a week. Now, these are the seeds. And they look like a type of nut. Can you see that? Actually, I'm going to go ahead and taste a raw one. Let's see how it tastes. But it tastes like a nut. It really does. And the jackfruit again. Shalom Yisrael. Toddler for watching. I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell so you can get all notifications. And also visit me on Instagram at Hebrew Mom Vlog or Facebook at Hebrew Mom. Actually, I'm gonna.
This is the fruit of your labor.
Was that showing the whole time? Going back to the jackfruit, it is also really good with calcium. I don't know if I said but it has calcium in it. Yeah, it did. Okay. Jackfruit also has is